Right, the brakes are squealing a bit, so we're going to have a look at them. But mostly we're going to be replacing the old standard Steelies with some shiny new alloy wheels and all-terrain tyres. Right, so that's the first wheel off. These are getting quite long in the tooth. Definitely needed a change. Yes, I don't think they would have lasted much longer. Stay there. Look at brake discs. That's quite a lip on that. Front pad's got lots of it left. Back pad doesn't seem to have. Oh, we've got sensors on here. I guess they'll be very close to being changed soon. Whilst we're in here, we'll just check everything else. Let's give this a rub. Springs all look okay. Shock's not leaking. Everything else is looking fairly dry, aside from obviously I've driven through mud, so that's all good. I absolutely hate scissor jacks, but I don't have a jack that can lift it high enough. Right, let's put the new wheel on and see if it fits. There we go. That's still jacked up. Still hate scissor jacks. Not bad. So we'll lower it down and we'll see how it goes. Then we'll tighten all the lug nuts up. There we go. Fills the arches nicely compared to that. Very happy. Now to just do it 3 more times. Right, rear tyre off. Bit better tread. I thought, this doesn't look too bad. It's going okay around here. Yeah. That's not good. Right, let's look at the discs and pads. Discs. Okay, that's just surface mug. This pad again looks fine. Plenty of meat on those ones. Maybe it's just squealing because it needs a good clean. Right, time to put a wheel on. Now we get to the more awkward access side of the vehicle. Play. Right, back left tyre. A completely different brand again. Okay. Perishing in the cracks. What age is this? 2019. First month of 2019 it was made. So yeah, that's 5 years old brain. So, I mean, I would have thought it would be better condition than this, but here we are. Doesn't matter now. And checking this disc. This looks okay. No pad wear indicator on this side. Interesting. Do they just do it on one side and assume it's going to be equal? Could do with a good clean, but there's enough meat on those pads. Doesn't this look good now? So we have the old Steels 15s, new alloys 16s, van tyres in 215/65 R15, all-terrain tyres in 215/65 16s. So tyre sizes are funny. So the wheel is 1 inch bigger for starters. Sure. You can sort of see the difference there. The width should be the same, 215. It is on a larger, it's on a 7-inch rim, so you can see it's much closer to the top of the tyre than I think 5.5 or 6 on the van. Still a bit of padding to prevent curbing. And then 65, so that's a percentage ratio of the width as the tyre wall height. So the tyre wall height should be the same, but all terrains tend to have a bit more tread on them, so again, a little bit more. So it is sitting a little higher, which is fine, unless you've got little legs. But yeah, just to do the last one now. Check this one out again. Discs maybe a little bit lipped, but nothing to write home about. Plenty of meat on that pad. Plenty of meat on that pad. And no wear sensors on this side again. Okay. How bizarre, but yeah. Strange. But generally all okay. Yeah, it's fine. Alright, and that's the front done. Managed to get my normal jack just about in there to do it. They've all been torqued up. I did them to 125, which is what I normally do wheels at on cars. These probably need a bit more, so I'll go check the book and find out what that is and put it in the video here. If it's different, take it for a quick test drive. Jobs are good. Right, first bit of reversing out with them on. It's not immediately hitting the calipers. Let's give it full lock. Not hitting the wheel arches. Oh, it's much easier on the curbs. The old car just used to hit that curb and just stop. Now it just rolls up. These are up to 50 psi. I don't know what the old ones were. Oh, that's weird. I can actually see the tyres in the rearview mirror now. Not the rearview, the wing mirrors, because they're a bit faster. Well, they must be, the offset must be slightly different to stick out a little. See both sides? Yes, okay, that's fine. Do some sort of high speed. Oh, I didn't bolt my brace down. This one-handed. Some potholes. Oh, it goes over them much easier. Let's get up to some speed. 60. Road noise is no different to normal really, so all good. Rogue alloys did the job.